Today we are in Gissi, a small village with all kinds of facilities situated on top of a hill on a panoramic spot of Abruzzo region, situated at just 25 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast. And today we are in the historic center of the village, and we are going to see a townhouse, a pretty big townhouse. It has 4 floors and measures approximately 125 square meters in total. We are in the historic center, but there is a big parking space just a few meters down there. And this townhouse avails of 2 entrances. This one, that is the main one, and this one here. And now we're gonna see the inside. This is the main entrance, and as we enter, we immediately find a fully equipped kitchen. As you can see, a built-in kitchen. With a fireplace. And these are the staircase reaching up the first floor. As you can see, the house avails of central heating system, so it is connected to gas. And proceeding this way, we have a large dining room with fireplace. And this right here is the second entrance of the house. As you can see, this is the gas boiler. And here we have a full bathroom with shower that serves this floor. Now we go back to the kitchen, so we can reach the staircase going up to the first floor. Here on the left we find the master bedroom. The house has high barrel ceilings on this floor, as you can see, because it is completely made of stone. And it has been completely restored a few years ago. And it avails of air conditioning. This room also has a balcony and mosquito nets. The balcony enjoys a beautiful view on the historic center. As you can see, the windows are brand new and double glazed. And this room also avails of an ensuite bathroom. With shower. The walls are really thick, as you can see. And this here is another bedroom with high barrel ceilings. There is a little bit of damp in this room, as you can see, so it needs a little bit of maintenance. And avails of a window. Proceeding this way, we find a passage room with a big wardrobe. The house is sold fully furnished, as you see it in the video. And here we have a big bathroom with a shower, washing machine, And here we have another small balcony. Proceeding this way, we reach the second floor of the house. And here we have another double bedroom with a balcony and air conditioning. And this balcony here enjoys a beautiful view on the Mayella mountain. Going up, we reach the attic floor, where we have a large bedroom. This room is an attic floor, but is very bright thanks to these two windows here. The house has all utilities connected, including central heating system and air conditioning. It is in perfect conditions. It was completely restored a few years ago, and it's ready to live in, sold completely furnished. For more information, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.